creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could.
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be here back on YouTube, but I am also very excited for this particular moment because if you guys have been watching my videos, then you do know that I have been trying to cut back on energy drinks, but Ghost came out with this new flavor, Straw Mango Margarita, and I've been dying to try it, so I figured I would allow myself an energy drink today, and then no energy drink starting again tomorrow. So I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and jump right into this video. Alright guys, so this looks like a better angle. So, what is up? I haven't seen you guys in like 2 weeks. I haven't seen you guys since last month when I finished the YouTube challenge. Honestly, that challenge was so fun, but so challenging. And I needed a much break from that, so that's why I haven't uploaded in about 2 weeks, but I'm back, and I'm excited to be back on YouTube. I genuinely love uploading videos and just providing content for you guys, so thank you so much for all of you guys who support this channel and give these videos thumbs up. In the past 2 weeks, guys, I'm going to be honest with you, I have definitely pumped the brakes on, of course, YouTube and also insurance. In the past 2 weeks, I only submitted about 4 policies. It wasn't anything too crazy. The AP totaled a little over 2,000, so it's not too bad. Definitely not where I could have been, but the reason why is because I've been focusing a lot on my team and just making sure that everything is getting processed correctly as far as their carriers, getting them fired up, all those things. So I've been focusing on that and also just doing things in my personal life as well. A lot has happened, a lot has changed, but I'm excited to jump right back in. Today's video, I'm going to take you along my day, but not really like a day in the life. I'm actually going to focus on one particular topic for the center of the video. And this is a question that I get asked a lot, even when I'm interviewing agents to join my agency. And it's all centered around, where do I start? How do I know what agency to be a part of? How do I know what company to be a part of? All of those questions that kind of linger around the same pond of where do I start? And I thought that I would cover that in this video because I think that is an excellent question. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave comments down below, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I want to go ahead and jump right into this video. I'm probably not going to make this video a day in the life after all, just because the topics of discussion that I'm going to place forward are going to be a little bit lengthy, and I don't want this video to be too long or too boring. I'm going to make sure that the focus of this video is where should you begin. Alright guys, so just to make this video a little bit easier to follow and a little bit clearer, I'm going to use my own story and my own experience as an example, and also because I think that most of you guys who watch my videos are going in this direction anyways, so that helps. Anyways, when I got licensed, I was a part of an IMO, and an IMO is an independent marketing organization that helps independent agents get contracted with multiple carriers, provides them, comp levels, etc., etc. And in IMOs, they typically have their own structure and have agencies within that IMO. So I was a part of a certain agency, of course, with an upline. So when you join somebody's agency, they are going to be your upline. So we'll use me for an example. If you join my team, I will be your upline. What does that mean? An upline is just somebody who guides you and directs you in this industry. I am not here to tell you how to run your business or to be your boss or your manager. Nothing like that. So back to what I was saying. I had an upline, and unfortunately, that upline did not provide value or the guidance or mentorship that I needed as a brand new agent. I was coming from the fitness background, so I was lost from the get-go. I had no idea what I was doing more than half of the time. And my upline was very passive of my questions, didn't provide value to me, let alone guidance. I just always felt discouraged and lost in the industry. And it wasn't until I switched IMOs and got a different upline in that IMO that I finally was invested in. All my questions were being answered, and I was provided value
in this industry now, which is where it brought me to where I am right now. So that's point number one, guys. It's value, which I think, in my opinion, is the number one thing that you should look for when you're joining somebody's agency. So if you were to ask me, hey Leah, what kind of value are you going to bring me in my business? Well, since we're already here, I'm going to answer that question for you. I'm going to provide actual training and being an actual upline for you guys, because I know what it feels like firsthand to not have that and feel very lost and discouraged. So my training with you guys is very one-on-one. I'm going to make sure that you get good on the phones, that you get good at the homes, setting appointments, door knocking, gaining more experience, and just making sure that you have that upline that is going to answer all your questions, no matter if it's 6 a.m. or 10 p.m. I am here for you guys because I know what it takes to be a leader, and having that foundation of trust, training, and guidance is what's really going to take your business and yourself to the next level. So even if you're new, if you already have experience, you really like my personality and my leadership, and you also see that, my team is producing and we're doing really great, why wouldn't you join it? Even if you already have experience, great. Now you have different carriers under your belt, maybe even a higher comp, and just a really great team that we're all going to be there for each other. So that is the type of environment and leadership that I'm going to provide to you, which essentially is great value to you and your business. So that is number one, value. Number two, leads. As agents, we're always trying to find the best lead out there. Honestly, that is the source of our business. So of course, we're always going to be looking for the next best lead. And really, leads are, 50-50. There's never going to be a lead out there that is exclusive to you. So if somebody tells you that, it's not true. You want to make sure that you're asking the appropriate questions when it comes to leads. You want to ask, hey, what source do you guys grab your leads from? Is there a particular source that, you're getting really great feedback from a lot of your agents? What's the closing ratio on these leads? And of course, with experience, your closing ratios are going to grow because you're going to get better and better and learning how to, really close in on appointments. But there's a difference between having a good source of leads and leads where they're being recycled and the quality is just really, really poor, which is also what I had. So you want to make sure that when it comes to leads, you're asking the right questions. That way you know the quality behind the leads that you're going to be investing in. And number three, carriers. What kind of carriers are you going to be appointed with? Are they A-grade carriers? Are they carriers that maybe other agents and other IMOs and other agencies don't have? So now you have an advantage by having an extra one under your belt so you can better help your clients. You want to ask those questions too. So even if you're an experienced agent out there and you're watching this video, the value that you're going to get now is just different carriers underneath your belt, maybe even a different comp level, and just having that leadership and that team that's going to build you up and maybe even take you and your business to the next level. Carriers, leads, leadership, and value that's going to take you and your business to the next level. Because if you guys think about it, I had a conversation with an agent not too long ago, and it went a little like this. If you join an agency or an IMO because they're going to offer you like the top comp, but you don't have the sources, which is the right carriers, leads, leadership, value, what is that top comp level going to do for you? You know what I mean? So you want to make sure that you have all of those in place, so that way your business and yourself is always going to the next level no matter what. So I think it's very important to choose the right agency, and you want to make sure that you're looking at all those things. So that leads me to leave you with this. If you guys are watching this video and you want to have a one-on-one conversation and get more into detail about the type of carriers, leads, value, and environment that I'm going to provide for you in my agency, there is a link in the description box below where you can schedule a one-on-one call with me, and we can go into the nitty-gritty together and really answer all those questions that you might still have. But alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.